Oh god. I look like a clown. It's a legit highlighter. I always trust the process. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, what's up? My name is Nigerian. If you're a returning subscriber, hey, what's up? Welcome back. So today we have another trying out TikTok trends. The last video was not as fun as I would have liked it to be, but the makeup came out good at the end of the day. So we're trusting TikTok again to do my makeup. Before we begin, I would like to ask you guys a question. I would like to personally know if we're okay in the head, whether something is wrong. Why are we using white concealer to conceal under our eyes? Why are we doing this? Why is this a trend? Oh, this is white now. This is white now. Did you know I just saw myself? Oh my god. Oh god. I'm going to trust the process. So now I'm going to go in with Nigerian Healthy Glow Foundation. Jesus Christ. I'm just going to highlight the rest of my face and see what happens. I'm just going to put the lipstick on my face. I look like a clown. I'm going to try and warm up my face with my Zara powder. So this is like my base done. Did the white concealer help anything? No. Am I going to try it again? No. Like the only thing I'm going to do with this again is probably as an eye primer. I'm not a fan of this look. That's just the moral of the story. The next trend on TikTok is Euphoria Makeup. I've always wanted to try their makeup. I'm going to try a blush makeup look but on a black person, so let's see how that goes. We're going to use the white concealer to prime my eyes because I feel like at least let me do something that I would like with the white concealer. I'm going to carry a glitter shade and just pat it in. Okay, so I've done both eyes. She had eyeliner on and I want to try that. In case you're not aware, my eyelashes are a case. They're very curly. They're basically 4C lashes. Yeah, I think I'm done. I can't do any more than this. I'm going to use the contour from here. So the next trend I have seen been done on TikTok, it's a very old trend actually. I think I learned this 2020, is Aumbre Lips. That's when like the inner side of your lips is like pink and then everything else is like your concealer shade. Let me put gloss and see. I personally feel like I look like a clown. I don't know how you guys feel about this look, but I personally feel like I look like a clown. Let's bring everything together with setting spray. Do I like this? Let me just arrange myself and come back to you, then I'll see whether I like this or not. There's one more thing I want to try. So I wanted to use, it's a different palette, but this glitter shade here and just put it in my inner corners. So first, the highlighter that I used on my face. Now that I know it's highlighter, it makes so much more sense. I looked like I was reflecting light from under my eyes and I was confused until I checked the shade and it's not white, it's the legit highlighter. I don't know whether that's what the white color is or there's an actual white color, but Will I ever do this again? No. Then the Euphoria look, I'm not sure. Let me know what you guys think, because I think it looks good. I'm not a big fan of the lips actually, but I mean, maybe it goes with the look. I'm not sure. I think we learned a good lesson here today. Always trust the process. Like, I knew that this was gonna work from the first moment. I knew that it was gonna work from the moment I started, you know? I look like a clown. That being said, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you for sticking to the end. If you've made it to the end, comment your favorite character in Euphoria. I think that this is the end of this makeup look. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.